Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to turn on shift lock mode for mobile. So let's get straight into the video. If you guys want to watch and find out how to get shift lock mode on mobile, make sure you guys watch the video up until the end, and let's get straight into it. So if you guys want to go ahead and turn on shift lock mode, there will be two ways on mobile. The first thing that you guys can do is go over to the settings. From settings, you want to make sure that shift lock switch is turned on, and then you guys can go ahead and once that's turned on, you guys can go ahead and turn it on, and then it will automatically turn on from there. Now if you guys go ahead and so if it exists, turn it on, and then basically once you turn shift lock on, you will see a lock icon. It will be a small lock button on the screen. Go ahead and tap it to enable or disable shift lock, and you can do with that. However, if the developer does not support shift lock mode, so let's just say Escape Tsunami for Brainrots does not support shift lock mode on mobile, which I believe it does, but for some reason if on mobile it doesn't support it, or if you don't see the shift lock option, instead what you guys can do is you guys can go ahead and go over to camera mode, and you guys can go ahead and set it to classic. Now once you set it to classic, what you can do is go ahead and zoom in slightly with like two fingers. Just go ahead and zoom in slightly, and then that will be like a shift lock equivalent essentially. So you guys can go ahead and do that as well. So turn on classic and then go ahead and zoom in slightly with your fingers, and you guys can go ahead and that will be the shift lock equivalent. So that should be it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.